Hello everyone and welcome back to Taste and Bloom. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. You will not regret being here. Please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any new videos. To my returning subscribers, I say thank you also. Mukai sadanu biniye kudu Korea. She ehokoye de wai. Yasan ko back. We are making a spin-off version of a popular Korean street food called corn dogs. You will find out in a jiffy why I'm calling it the spin-off version. Our ingredients are slices of bread and sausage. You can use any type of bread you want, but I am using wheat bread. And here, I've used a rolling pin to flatten the bread and cut off all the crusts. I will also need 1 egg. I also have here crushed crackers. You can certainly use breadcrumbs, but I'll show you why I am using crackers. I'll also need some oil. Lastly, I'll need some skewers. We will start here by cracking our egg and pouring it onto a plate, and then I'll set that aside. Now let's move on to prepping our bread. On one side of each slice, we are going to brush our egg over the slice. Moving on, we are going to be wrapping our sausages in the bread. So the egg wash was so that the sausages will stay intact once they are wrapped in the bread. Once that is done, we are going to go ahead and coat our corn dogs. So first you coat in your egg and then you coat in your crushed crackers. So I prefer the crackers because they add some subtle saltiness and crunch to this recipe. Once we are done with coating, we'll go ahead and insert our skewers. So you realize I placed my index finger on the other side of our corn dog so as to allow our sausage stay intact. We don't want the sausages to pop out. Now we can go ahead and fry. So we are going to be frying this until each side is golden brown. So remember I said this was a spin-off version. I say that because with the original recipe, you would need to prepare a batter to coat the sausage before frying. You do not use bread. And who has time to prepare a batter when the kids are hungry? And just like that, our corn dogs are ready. I serve mine with some ketchup and mayo. Nukreni mikra mepechi. So why don't you give it a try in your various homes? And do let me know in the comment section how your toddlers enjoyed this recipe. And if you intend to patch, please tell me in the comment section. I do hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please like and share this recipe with your friends and family. And until we meet again next time, as always, keep blooming.